What is up, fishing addicts? On today's video we will be fishing post spawn big bass. I forgot to record the intro earlier, and as you guys can see, all the odds are against us today. However, I did manage to land two big ones, so stay tuned and make sure to hit that subscribe button and comment down below what is your favorite post spawn lure. So let's go get our fix on. There we go. Got the first one. Ain't much of a looker, but it's a bass. Come on. There we go. First one of the day, boys. First one of... Got myself wet. Come on, relax. Look at that. Probably 12 and a half. Let's put it on the board. Let's see what we got. Oh, actually, okay, there, little guy. Again, 13, not bad. I saw a couple of bigger ones, probably like 16, 17 as they're cruising around. But they didn't want to do nothing with my bait. So I think I might have to put on a Senko. But I did not. Unfortunately, I did not bring any. But I'm gonna have to make something. I completely dozed off on that one. But let's see what we can do. Oh, it's a good one. There we go. This is a good one. Finally. Finally something. Maybe not as good as I thought, but it'll do for now. There we go. Look at that on the toxic gill. Come on. Pretty nice one. Let's see now. They're feisty today. They're real feisty. So we're gonna have to be a little bit cautious. This is not that big of a fish, so I'm not gonna do the net trick. I'll get my camera ready, and now I'll get the fish ready. So it's 15, not bad. There we go. He pooped all over my board. Oh. Not bad. We just need to get the big ones. I don't know, we're burning daylight, but been fishing for about 45 minutes or so. Got a couple of dinks, and the place that I thought I'm gonna do well, I didn't do well, so we're just gonna have to look for them. Oh, this might be a good one. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, I know you want to come inside the net. Alright. Not as good as I expected, but it will do. Maybe get an inch out of it. Almost got me. Look at this one. That's a beauty right here. I'm gonna go inside the sheet. There we go. Almost an inch. Not bad though. Not bad. This one's 1575. Nice post spawn. Come on, there we go. And there she goes. Or he, I don't know. Oh, looks like the bite is just picking up. and I think I have it figured out, but we need to catch a couple more fish. There we go. Ah, come on. Why am I always getting pike? Ooh, that was a close one. Ooh, that was a close one. Almost literally chopped off my fingers. Oh guys, finally the fishing gods have smiled upon us. We got something over 16 probably. Oh, come here. Oh, look at this one. I'm gonna have to do the net trick on this because it's the biggest one we got so far. Oh guys, this was the only fish that's been cooperating so well today, and it's the biggest one. Here, a little drink. Take a selfie with it. And there she goes. Nice and smooth, no splashy splash. Wow, this was eventful. I was hoping for a lot more 17s and 18s today, but unfortunately it was only like 11 inches and 12 inches. It was a tough day. I'm gonna circle back where I caught this one. Hopefully there's a couple more laying around over there. And it's almost 12 o'clock, and I don't want to stay here past 12:30, so I got 20 more minutes of fishing. Let's see what we can do. There we go. Gotcha. That was a good one. Oh, this is a real good one, guys. This is a real good one. Oh, nice. Inside the net, yes. This is a nice one. Okay, this is a real nice one. Now I'm gonna beach myself. Make sure the sun is on my back. Nice. Okay. Whew. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. This is a, look at that. This is a nice 6-pounder right here. 6-7 pounder right here. Just look at this goodness. Just look at this. Whew. Just look at this. I can put my whole fist inside. Wow, this is a nice one. Whew. My heart. Oh my God. Nice. Real freaking nice. Okay. And get the net straight. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Now to let it go, slow motion. Come on. There she goes. Woo! What that? Wow! I can't even talk right now. That's a kicker fish right there. That's a kicker fish. She wasn't that long, but she was chunky. She was chunky. All right, guys. It's a little bit past 12:30, and just got out of the water. The day was pretty good. It started very slow, however, had a strong finish, so I can't really complain about that. I don't know what I could have done better. Bluebird skies, I tried fishing everything, but at the almost last half an hour I did find the fish, so it was a good day, had fun. Next stop is Fox River, so stay tuned. I'll catch you guys on the next one.